Hello guys, welcome back with me, Cho 25. Today we're going to compare all method of interpolation that I know. There are GMFSS Fortuna, IFRNet, M2M VFI, Film, and AMT. To install this, just select Manager and search for ComfyUI Frame Interpolation Manager by Fanival 16. Here I already have it, so I choose Update. If you not have it yet, just select Install. Restart when you were asked to. Now let's add the node. There will be a ComfyUI Frame Interpolation list in Add Node. Select VFI. Now we're going to add RIFE first, since that's what I always use. Now let's add other VFI node. Here is the list. Now let's add sample video that we're going to interpolate. A 15 fps video. We will see how it interpolates twice for each image. We connect the result with combine video. Also, I add batch manager so I am run out of memory. Let's try this. It seems 3 node is error and I can't find how to repair it. Is the Sepcon VFI, Steam VFI, and Affiliate VFI. Now here is the comparison. Going to make all of this 60 piece by interpolating it to 4. interpolate it 8 times. Here are the results. Anyways, guys, you guys decide which base to yourself since all seems good. Maybe IFRNet and AMT is the worst, but because some model only has capability of doing twice interpolate, anyway guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. See you again on the next episode. And have a nice day. Please subscribe.